iOS 26 Developer Beta Update is here, but do not install it right now. The iOS 26 update is official and Apple has already rolled out the iOS 26 Developer Beta version that works across iPhones and people can install it today. The new iOS update gets a big design overhaul which includes the liquid glass transparent design UI and the interface feels a lot lighter. But coming back to the developer beta version, you are looking at the iOS 26 update that is still in its early days of development and Apple wants to make it available for the developers who can build their apps and tweak them for the new interface. So, should everyone install the iOS 26 developer beta update or does it have risks? We will give you the answer. Don't install the iOS 26 developer beta. Well, there you have it. In simple words, do not install the iOS 26 developer beta update on your primary iPhone. The new iOS version is still very buggy, which means the regular apps will misbehave, which is not ideal if you use the same device for everyday use. Imagine if you have the iOS 26 developer beta installed on the iPhone that you use to make payments, and the app crashes. These are some of the instances that can strike if you use the testing version. More importantly, the issues of the iOS 26 developer beta could even result in wiping out all your data, which can be a nightmare if that happens on your primary phone and all the photos not saved on the cloud, messages, and more. Swipe left for next video. There is a reason why Apple first brings the developer beta version for its devices, and that is because it wants the developers to fix the bugs and issues before making it available for the public beta version. The iOS 26 public beta release is confirmed for July and we suggest you wait for this version to try out the new iOS update for iPhones. iOS 26 update will work on iPhone 11 and later models, but the AI features will be once again limited to iPhone 15 Pro and later models. Latest blogs